Hi everyone, meet Tasha Ali. She wants to book a vacation home on Airbnb, but doesn't know how to book her stay on Airbnb. Follow our step-by-step easy guide. Step 1. Click and open web browser. Some of the popular web browser options include Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Please select any one that is available to you. Next, type www.airbnb.com in your web browser. Once the website opens, hover over profile icon and select login as shown. Next, please enter your phone number with the appropriate country code and click on Continue button as shown. Alternatively, you can log in using other options shown below, including with your email address. Next, let's complete the verification process. If you entered your phone number at the last step, please enter the code sent over as SMS. You can now browse a wide variety of vacation homes by categories such as beachfront, tropical, off-the-grid, iconic cities, etc. Enter destination, travel dates, and number of guests to refine your search and browse from available options. Additionally, you can select from diverse filters as shown on screen: price range, type of place, number of bedrooms, baths, property types, amenities, booking options, and host language for convenience. You may also choose to browse top-tier stays, which include vacation homes listed by superhosts that are top-rated and reviewed. Next, select the home you want to book for your stay. You can review photos, ratings, reviews, price, amenities, and descriptions about both the vacation home and host to make a good decision. Scroll below to the terms and once ready, click on Reserve. It is important to note the cancellation and refund policy of the vacation home you are booking. For the example shown on screen, the host offers free cancellation for 48 hours. Next, enter information about you and your guests. You should then receive a confirmation on the email address you enter while making this reservation. Congratulations! You are all set. Just like Tasha, you can start your Airbnb journey now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is presented by the Boomerem, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide. Stay tuned for more.